I came here because I felt it's the only thing within Orange County and California that's affordable and has a cool vibe. There's a lot of things to do.
Everything's close by, you know, local businesses, local restaurants, and it's very convenient. And it's very convenient to get on the highway wherever you're going up to Los Angeles, but you're far enough away from all that crowd, and it's very nice.
I would say it has a downtown that has a unique character with skyscrapers, which you don't see that many places other than downtown LA. Of course, diversity is the other factor.